Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the STL units in scale because mismatches break fit and print. Open your editor, Blender, MeshLab, or a CAD importer and import the copy, not the original. Once loaded, inspect normals, orientation, and whether the mesh is manifold. These determine subsequent repair steps. If faces are inverted or non-manifold holes exist, mark them now. Make a quick backup labeled V1. You'll revert if repairs introduce errors. This gets you immediately ready to edit confidently. Next, repair and modify the mesh. Run automated fixes to fill holes, remove duplicate vertices, and recalculate normals. This reduces downstream failures. Then plan your edits. Use Boolean operations to cut or join parts, but apply them in steps and inspect topology after each operation. When changing thickness, apply solidify. When refining detail, use remesh at controlled settings. Trim or add geometry with vertex and edge tools while keeping the mesh manifold, because non-manifold geometry will cause slicer errors later. Finally, validate and export. Run a slicer preview to check orientation, supports, overhangs, and wall thickness, because this reveals practical printability issues. Export the STL using the correct units and apply the desired vertex precision to avoid file bloat. Once exported, reopen the file to confirm integrity. If problems appear, gaps, non-printing areas, or strange artifacts, go back, fix inverted normals, remove duplicate vertices, or run the repair tool again. One targeted repair usually resolves most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.